Good morning, Forex traders. So let me just shortly get into VIX 100 and provide you with a simple sniper entry strategy on supply and demand and how we go about this particular strategy. I call it a breakout strategy on volatility 100. But you saw it's extremely important to actually ensure that you are swift when you're executing entries with this particular strategy. So this is what VIX is doing currently. I told people that it has broken out and it's coming for a retest. No, this is how it is. This is how it is. This is how it is. So VIX 100 has been trending in this zone right here, right? Okay. Creating and giving us this zone down over here. And then giving us another zone over there. So when we switch to D1, we see that there was a break of market structure down over there. And it broke that market structure and it created a demand zone, a supply zone up there. So we go to M15. M15, what we have is that initially this particular candle was soaring in this particular direction, right? In this particular direction. It was coming like that. So because of that, our main interest is the candle that broke this particular trend. So the candle that broke the particular trend is this candle, the green one I've marked there. So what we do, we're going to blend it. We get it open, the low that it touched, which is down there. Then after that is done, we come to the opening of it. Okay? Because it has actually opened right from there. And you see, when it broke, there was an attempt of the market to go to reach that price, but it was pushed back, came for a retest, came here, and came to be in within this zone. From here to here, this is a zone that was created. So every time there's a market structure break, that is what the price does. Let's get to M5. This is what we find on M5. This particular trend line is exactly the same. All right, time frame codes. Look at the candle that broke the trend line. It's this. And we blended it, and the retest was simply just within that particular zone. So we come to M1. Exactly. So even in M1, we had this, a simple trend. There's what we call trend within a trend, just down here. So it broke there, it came down within this particular zone. So catch your zones on higher time frames. H1 and M15 is the best place to catch your zones from. When you want to know that the market has literally changed direction, do your analysis on H1 and M15. Find out whether it has actually broken any market structure. Identify that particular zone that has been created. So because of this, there will be a time that the market will come back to this. So this becomes the demand zone right over here. So when you execute your entries here, you are safe. No retracements whatsoever. It will go up. Now, every time VIX 100 breaks out, it always comes out for a retest. So you look at this, it broke out from that particular level. Which is here. And it was attempting to come for a retest. It might come down here before it starts soaring up from here to go up. And when it goes up, it will break that particular high over there. And people think that maybe when it goes there, people might actually be comfortable to say it's going there to form a double top, so I enter a sell. No. The higher time frame, especially on H1, it is telling us that it is coming to this particular zone. It is coming to that particular zone and go up there. So when you get to D1, there's also a similar thing. There was this break of market structure. So we zoom out. We look at the candle that broke the market structure. The candle that broke the market structure is this long bearish candle. So we are going to mark as well the high that it went, which is there. We are also going to get the low or the opening of the price, which is there. So when we do this and we come to H4, you've seen that? That is a zone that this market is likely to get into right over there. But then it will have something like a retest and a pullback right when it comes over here before it actually continues to go up there. So that's how you identify supply and demand zones. Look at the trend of the market. Once there is a break in that particular market, look at the candle that broke that market, blend it. That creates a zone. That's where you execute entries from. Those are sniper entries. This is MUTFX. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. So this is how we identify these sniper entries here. Okay.